What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, live from Milwaukee, Washington for your weekly shop update. We don't have a lot to talk about today, but we are going to really wrap things up here in 2022, give you a little bit what's to come, a little bit of what's been going on, and get after it. So first things first, we're going to jump into new products. We don't have a lot of new products here as we trail into the new year, but we do have a few things that we want to talk about. And why we use it. So the first thing here is the Smith Creek Rig Keeper. This thing's pretty handy, and why it's handy is the forbidden eggs, or beads as they call it. And I'm gonna do a video showcasing people how to do this. There's a lot of maybe not animosity towards this style of fishing, but there's a lot of unknowns, and we will solve that for you because I know exactly how to do it. But that is new. It works really well for that as steelhead season approaches. Very productive way to get your hands on a steelhead. While you're out there, it's not going to be warm. We've had a lot of really cold weather here in the Pacific Northwest, so we have all of our Simms Gore-Tex warm weather gear here, from gloves, hats, gator. We got socks here in the shop as well. All of that you need to stay warm on the water is here at Spawn Fly Fish and on display in our shop. The next thing we're going to do, and this will be a theme as we move into 2023, especially early 2023, is different colors of existing products that we already have. So we have a bunch of products on our site, and generally our theme is, if we're going to stock it and we believe in the product, we're going to bring in every color of the product. Last thing we want to do is bring in 5 of the colors and then slowly trickle them in. But we generally start with 10 or 12, but what we're going to do is go through and look for ones that we're missing, and we're going to systematically add them across the board. So whether it's Bruiser Blend or it's Black Barred Rabbit, we're going to add these across the board and make sure that if you're looking for that product and you're looking for that specific color, we have it here at Spawn Fly Fish. So look forward for that coming here early in 2023. I'll be working tirelessly to get that going. As far as what else is going on here in the shop, we've been busy working in the back side of the shop. So when you guys come see us, you see a snippet of what is Spawn Fly Fish. In the back, we're always working, creating, and building. And we have expanded our room for semi-seal as well as space for inventory in the back. So we're really looking forward to what's to come, and we are looking forward to building that out. So if you haven't seen a lot going on lately, just know that a lot is happening just behind the scenes. As far as fishing goes, it's a little tough right now here in Southwest Washington. We've had a lot of rain. So we've had a huge jump in all of our rivers down here in Southwest Washington. But what you want to do is fish the drops. So watch these rivers, and as they drop, be ready to make the trip out here. So we're looking at pretty high flows today, but by Saturday and Sunday, we're hoping that the rivers will be fishable. The water will still be off-colored, but it'll be that off-color green that we love, and all those steelhead anglers out there know very well. But that doesn't mean that there's no fishing, especially here in Western Washington. This weekend I was home, and when I say home, in Olympia, Washington, where I grew up for the holidays, and was able to get out on the water 2 separate occasions, one from the beach, one from a boat. Fishing is frankly phenomenal. If you're in the area of Puget Sound and you're not fishing it right now, and you're not using Spawn Fly Fish products, you're missing out because it was lights out good. And we're close to that time of year where it's good, and then they just disappear. So take advantage of this opportunity. They are out, they are hungry. Steamboat Island Leech was the golden ticket. Be sure to tie that in a size 8 or size 10, and you will have a ton of success out in Puget Sound. Again, Puget Sound is red hot. Fished it 2 times in the last 4 days. So get out there, have a lot of success. As far as other opportunities, we do have some lakes and still waters here. We have them close to the shop, and we have a few up in the mountains right around the area. and those are fishing decent and will continue to fish decent all winter long. So if that's your thing, get that float tube out and get after it. And that really wraps it up for fishing. That wraps it up for what I thought previously was the last shop update of the year, but this time I will certainly see you next year. Thank you all for tuning in. Be sure to hit like, be sure to subscribe.